Hello friends, today I'll be showing you paneer fry recipe. This is a very tasty and yummy snack or a side dish. This is very quick and instant recipe. The masala which we have used, the ingredients which we have used are different. So please watch it until the end. This is a very tasty vegetarian recipe. So let's prepare the recipe. So we have taken 400 grams of paneer and we have chopped it into pieces. The pieces are medium size and not too small. Now the other ingredients which we have used, we have taken one lemon juice. We have taken it in a bowl. Now we'll be adding other ingredients. 1 spoon of salt we have added. Now then we'll be adding half spoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. Now what we have done is we have used red chili powder, but before that this is the green masala which we'll be using. So I'll tell you how we have prepared the green masala. Friends, I would request you to subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon. You can find more than 300 delicious homemade recipes directly from the kitchen with complete steps in English and Hindi. So you will find all types of recipes, breakfast, snacks, sweets, side dishes, authentic recipes and very specific and special festival recipes also. So please subscribe and tap on the bell icon. So let's move forward with the recipe. So for garam masala we have taken poppy seeds, added into a mixer jar, and then we have taken a bunch of coriander leaves and 3-4 ginger pieces and a little water, and we have grinded it. This is our green masala. So after adding green masala into the bowl, now we will be adding 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and similarly half tablespoon of coriander powder. So this gives a very good taste, as a little tangy as well as little spicy taste. So we have to mix it thoroughly. So now we have added it into the bowl. So once we have added this, we have to mix it thoroughly so that each and every side of the paneer piece gets to the masala. So this is a very kurkure or crispy paneer fry recipe which can be eaten as a snack or a side dish. So the taste is very good. So we need to mix it thoroughly. This is a very quick and instant recipe, and paneer doesn't take too much time to cook. So once the masala is ready, we will keep it aside for 10 minutes, and if you are in a rush, you can also prepare it directly without keeping it aside. So we have heated a pan and we have added 1.5 or 2 tablespoons of oil, and then we will be adding the paneer pieces into the pan. So we will not be deep frying it because deep frying is not too much healthy. So we need to shallow fry this recipe. So we have added all the paneer pieces. So as you can see, we need to cook it for 1 minute. If you are cooking it with the lid open, then you need to cook it on full flame, and as we close the lid, then you need to make the flame to medium. Please make note of this. So once it cooks from the other side, it will change the color to golden brown, which means it has cooked from one side. So we will flip it and again we will close the lid and cook it for just 1 minute on medium flame. So our complete, as you can see, this is completely ready. So yummy and crispy. The taste is also very good because of the ingredients which we have used. So please prepare this recipe in this method. So only cooking off for 1 minute is sufficient for this, so that the masala gets into the paneer. So our paneer is ready, paneer fry. This is a quick snack or a side dish recipe. So I am sure you have liked this recipe. So please like and share to your family and friends. Do check out our other recipes and tap on the bell icon. So until then, goodbye.